Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Hunting Technologies. We often get asked about, airlines and what kind of compressed air is needed for these machines. Today we're going to be focusing more on the airline part of that and what kind of airline you need going from your compressor to your machine. First things first, obviously it's going to be more of a benefit to you if your compressor is closer to your machine. This one allows you to run less line, but also gives you a little bit more flexibility in the line you can use, being 3 feet away versus being 40 feet away. So most of our machines require a 1/4 inch MPT fitting or a 1/2 inch MPT fitting going to the machine. So if you're more like 5 feet away, it may benefit you just to run the smaller line that matches into the machine. Now, if you're more of like a bigger shop or let's say a plant and you have airlines that really go everywhere in your shop or plant, it may benefit you to run a bigger airline to your machine. And the reason why is because let's say you're 40 feet away and you're running a 1/2 inch airline. You're gonna get less flow to your machine out of that airline than what you're gonna get out of maybe a 3/4 inch airline running to your machine and then reducing it down. So what that's gonna do is when you step on the foot pedal, it'll drop you from let's say 90 PSI to 60 or 50 PSI. And then you won't be able to increase it and you're kind of restricting your airflow coming to the machine. So if you're more like 40 feet away, if you're in a bigger plant setting, it may benefit you to run like a 3/4 inch line all the way to the machine about 5 feet away and then reduce it down to either the 1/2 or the 1/4 that you need to connect to the machine. If you guys have any questions about this, please let us know. Our number here is 828-202-5563.